In this video, we want to answer these two questions by using the diagram and circle geometry. So, we are given that the line AE is parallel to BD, also that the angle AOD is 150 degrees, and that the angle of BAE is equal to x. So in order to determine the value of x, we would need to use this 150 degrees. So this is the angle at the center of the circle. And what we know is that the angle at the center of the circle is twice the size of the angle at the circumference of the circle. So this angle E would be equal to 75 degrees. So if this angle is equal to 75 degrees, then we can use the properties of a cyclic quadrilateral to find the angle size of B2. And we know that B2 would also be 75 degrees because this is the exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. And B2 would be equal to angle X because they form corresponding angles. So therefore, X would also be 75 degrees. Now, to answer the second question, where we need to find the angle size of C, again, we would use the properties of a cyclic quadrilateral. So D3 would be equal to angle X because this is the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. And then we can use angles within a triangle to solve angle C. So that will be 30 degrees. So let me show you how to write this out formally. To determine X, we said that angle E is equal to 75 degrees. And the reason is the angle at the center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference. Then we said that B2 is equal to angle E, which is also 75 degrees. And the reason is the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Therefore, X is 75 degrees because it's equal to B2. And our reason is corresponding angles equal between the parallel lines BD and AE. And then to determine the value of C, we said that D3 is equal to X, which is also 75 degrees. And the reason, it's the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. And then C plus the two angles of 75 degrees would be equal to 180 degrees. And our reason is sum of angles in a triangle. Therefore, C is equals to 180 minus 150 degrees, and that becomes 30 degrees.